Hi students, welcome to KSM classes. Today we will discuss the basics of the coordinate geometry, namely the coordinate system. We will discuss a few problems in it. The first problem is given points P3, 1, Q6, 5, Rx, Y are 3 points such that angle PRQ is a right angle and the area of the triangle PRQ is 7. Find the number of such points are. We will look into the solution. We will consider a segment P 3, 1, 3, 1 and Q 6, 5 and R X, Y. It is given in the problem that angle PRQ is 90. So it's a right angle triangle. Now we'll do one thing. We'll construct a circle passing through the points PQR. We'll construct a circle passing through the points PQR. Now here P and Q being on the circle, this is a chord which is subtending a right angle at a point of the circle. Therefore PQ will become the diameter. Now PQ is equal to distance between these 2 points, that is 5. Implies R is equal to 5/2. It is given that the area of this triangle is 7 units. Therefore, let us draw a perpendicular here and let us call this as M. Now if you consider the area of the triangle PQR is given to be 7 units. This is equal to half into PQ into Rm is equal to 7. So here PQ is 5. So this is Rm is equal to 14 by 5 is equal to 2.8. It is more than R radius. So Rm is more than the radius. It is not possible. Rm is more than the radius is not possible here. Therefore, such a triangle PQR cannot be constructed. Therefore, there is no such R satisfying the conditions. Satisfying the conditions. The second problem is the vertices A and D of a square ABCD lies on the positive sides of x, y axis respectively. If the vertex C is a 12, 17, then the coordinates of B are. Let us look into the solution. Let us consider the coordinate axis. It is given that A is on the positive side of the x-axis and D is on the positive side of the y-axis. So let us have this is B and this is somewhere C and this is D. Of course this is A. It is given that C is 12, 17. Now this is a positive y-axis and x-axis. You can draw a perpendicular here. And this is CM. This is CM is 12. CM is 12. Now this is of course 90. Similarly, you can draw a perpendicular here. Call this as L. This is 90. Now this is 12. This is 17 means from here if you draw a perpendicular, this is 17. This distance is 17. Now if you take this as a theta, this is theta, this is 90. You take the side of the square as A units. Now from triangle from triangle CMD, cos theta is equal to CM by CD, implies CM is equal to CD means A cos theta. If this is theta, this is of course 90 minus theta. This is already 90 because the angle between the sides of the square is 90. This is theta. This is theta. Now here cos theta is equal to, you can take this as O, cos theta is equal to OD by A. Cos theta is equal to OD by A, implies OD is equal to A cos theta. You can take this as OD. This is theta, of course this is 90, this is 90 minus theta. Once again this is theta. In this triangle cos theta is equal to AL by A. That means this is equal to AL. So CM is equal to A cos theta equal to OD is equal to AL from the figure. CM is equal to 12 units. So AL is equal to 12 units. So we got that this is equal to 12 units. Now here this is 12. Now you can take OD is also 12. This is 12 units. So this is 5. This is 5 because this complete one is 12. So I got this as 12 units. Now MD. Now from this triangle, if you take sin theta is equal to, MD by A, implies MD is equal to A sin theta. MD is equal to A sin theta. From this triangle, if you consider sin theta OA by A, so OA equal to A sin theta. This is same as OA. Therefore, this is 5 units. This is 5 units. Now here, sin theta is OA. OA is equal to MD. MD is equal to 5 units. Therefore, OL is equal to OA plus AL is equal to 17. So here we got OL is equal to 17. That means the x coordinate of this point is 17. Now coming to the next one. Now we need the y coordinate of this point. Y coordinate of this point means here this distance is to be required. So this is 12. Now you take here, this is 12 units, this is 5. So OL is equal to 17 means this is 17 units. Now we will find out the y coordinate. Here BL is equal to sin theta is equal to, here in the same case, if from this triangle sin theta is equal to BL by A. So here it is can be taken as BL also. So this is BL is equal to 5. So this is 5 units, 17 comma 5. Therefore, BL is equal to 5 and OL is equal to 17. Therefore, the coordinates of this point are 17 comma 5. The next problem is, in a triangle ABC A 1 comma 10, circumcenter minus 1 by 3 comma 2 by 3 and orthocenter 11 by 3 comma 4 by 3, then the coordinates of the midpoint of the side opposite to AR. Now we will consider the triangle here. We will take the triangle. In this triangle, one vertex is given to be 1 comma 10. Let us consider this is B and C. We are asked to find out the midpoint of the opposite side to A. It is given that the circumcenter, for example, if you call this as circumcenter S minus 1 by 3 comma 2 by 3, and this is the orthocenter given to be 11 by 3 comma 4 by 3. Now the centroid, the circumcenter, centroid and orthocenter are collinear, and the centroid will be the point of trisection of the line segment joining the circumcenter and orthocenter. It will divide the line segment in the ratio SG is to GH is equal to 1 is to 2, and therefore this G is bisection formula 11 by 3 minus 2 by 3, 9 by 3, that is 3, and this is 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3, 8 by 3 by 3, 8 by 9. Once again, if you require, first mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, 11 by 3 minus 2 by 3, 9 by 3, 9 by 3 means 3 by 3, 3 by 3, this is of course, this is a 1 comma, and this is 4 by 3 and 4 by 3, 8 by 3 by 3, 8 by 9. So the centroid is 1 comma 8 by 9. Now, if you consider the centroid like this is the centroid, this is the midpoint, median. The median is a segment joining one vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. This median will be divided by the centroid in the ratio AG is to GD is equal to 2 is to 1. You call this as H comma K. This is already known, 1 comma 8 by 9, and that point is also known to us. Again, applying the section formula once again, 2 into H, 2H plus 1 by 3, comma, 2 into K, 2K plus 10 by 3 is equal to 1 comma 8 by 9. And this is equal to 2H plus 1 is equal to 3, and 2K plus 10 is equal to 8 by 3. And therefore H is equal to 1, and this is K is equal to 2K is equal to 8 by 3 minus 10 minus 22 by 3. So K is equal to minus 11 by 3. Therefore the midpoint of BC is equal to D is equal to 1 comma minus 11 by 3.